Well, we're under a blizzard warning in Grand Forks at 8:30 p.m. Temperature of 32 degrees, wind speed 26 miles per hour, gusts up to 45 miles per hour. National Weather Service says tonight areas of blowing snow, low around 30, windy with a northwest wind 21 to 31 with gusts as high as 47, chance of precipitation 100%, total nighttime snow accumulation of 3 to 5 inches possible. Then Saturday, rain and snow before 4 p.m., then a chance of snow between 4 p.m. and 5 p.m., then a slight chance of rain and snow after 5. Patchy blowing snow after 9 a.m., high near 35, breezy, north-northwest wind 14 to 22 miles per hour, with gusts as high as 31. Chance of precipitation is 80%, new snow accumulation of less than 1 inch possible. So there you go, Grand Forks. We're in a blizzard warning. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.